Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at an iridium silver 2013 C300. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 248 horsepower and 250 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG Sport line, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, an AMG exterior and interior look. On the inside we've got a black MB text with a burl walnut trim, sunroof. In back we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front, we've got Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, steering wheel controls, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, our turn knob for our infotainment center. This C-Class has 62,521 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.